droga at mga nakawan, dapat nang mapigilan. Ayaw na Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pagkasenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo. Together, para sa tunay na pagbabago.
Why am I here? I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines.
Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo. Together, para sa tunay na pagbabago.
Sundalo yan. Tiyan mo rin. Gloria Arroyo, sinabi ko noong campaign period na I will let her go. I immediately after the election sabi ko, I will offer you pardon. Sabi niya, you know, Rudy, pardon involves also the act of admitting or confessing to the crime. Because you have to be a sinner to be pardoned. Ayaw niya. Basta at least tapos na. And dito kay, tama na yung zero. Dito naman kay, wala appointment trabaho. Hindi na magtrabaho niya. Si Congress na, why would she work for me?
Sir, earlier you said, it sounded like you said as if because PBM will be hurt, you won't be giving Lenny a cabinet position. So, isn't that putting friendship or politics over government?
No, she will not accept it, I'm sure. They're just bird talk, yeah.
She said wala kayong work with you.
As si Lenny? No. I'm just being, you know, being nice. Baka. Bakit ko una ko sinabi, she will be appointed. Sabi ko, baka.
Pero sir, earlier you said that you don't want to hurt PBM's feelings and that's why you don't want to give her any position yet. It sounds like you're putting friendship over, you know, governance. Can you react to that?
What friendship?
Sir, you just said kasi baka ma-hurt si Marcos. So it
No. Tama ka. Si Marcos, gusto mo talagang malaman? Kaibigan ko si Marcos.
Exactly, sir.
O kaya nga.
Putting friendships over...
No, that is the political reality we told. Do you know that my father was a cabinet member of the late father? So, you know.
Sir, can I ask a question about Sapa?
And besides, yeah, I won sa Ilocos Norte. No, tingnan mo na lang ang resulta sa Pilipinas kung saan ako natalo. Miserably.
What are we expecting? So that's what are we expecting of your relationship with Lenny to be like? What are we going to expect your relationship with Lenny to be like if this is how it's
Well,
going?
probably like ice. A lot is happening now between us. Multi-preposterous. Sir, outlandish.
Sir, we'd just like to confirm if there are any choice for Senate presidency, sir. Senator Cesar Villar said that implied, sir, just earlier that possibly Senator Alan Cayetano can be chosen as Senate President.
I have not. Hindi ako nag-interview na. Kung tanong ka maski sino, I have not made any call, sign any document supporting anybody. Ayaw ko kasi hindi ko, I never know who'll win. I do not want to join the scramble there. Yes, to each and every senator. Wala akong ano.
Sir, you previously mentioned you wanted to abolish BIR, customs, but
Yes.
now you have them
Yes.
your marching orders to them.
Yes, if I could have a reorganization government, I will. Because mahirap tanggalin yung mga, ano dyan mga career. They have the civil service eligibility to protect them. Mabuti lang sana kung hindi corrupt. But almost all of them, there are corrupt, sad to say. Meron akong mga kaibigan dyan, pero wala kang tayo magawa, trabaho lang to.
So what would you want your secretaries to do, sir, on that? BIR, customs?
But we have the BIR, Atty. Dulay. Ewan ko si Atty. Dulay, trabaho na niya yan. Ayaw makialam. So ask him kung paano niya kuliktahin.
Sir, about the Sabbath claim, sir.
Umpisa ka sa simbahan. Kasi dalhin lang na rin ang pare yan. Wala mo rin mangyari dyan.
Sir, there is a reaction from, can I have your reaction about the statement from the Malaysian Prime Minister about not to ignite the dispute in Sabah? What is your
I'm
policy
not
about
igniting
Sabah?
anything. That we stick with the original position of the government. Nothing has changed.
So
Nothing has changed.
are you going to pursue the Sabah?
Yes, I said, but only by peaceful means. We do not have the luxury of getting into trouble and war. We cannot afford it. We might as well just talk to everybody and develop our country. Hindi ka nang rin makipag-away, istorya na lang. And I hope the other side would also understand your situation. Maybe if you can make clear to him that this is really what happened, or this is the actual case that we go to court, in all likelihood I will win. But I do not want trouble, so can we have another solution for this?
So you said you're going to create 2 more divisions in the army and then you're going to recruit 3,000 more police.
Correct.
So does it also follow that you will also meddle in the assignment or the deployment of
Wala. Ang trabaho nila yan. Kaya ako nga sila kinuha, ito sigurado. Bakit ako nandyan na yan sila? Bakit ako? I cannot tell you the exact, parang purpose of this. But I hope it will not visit us. But I'm just prepared if we have to wage war or
internal security.
lahat. Kasi I pray to God na we do not have to go to war or we have to fight to win a battle, something like that.
Hey, Mayor,
That is to protect the integrity of this republic.
Mayor, gikuha niyo si Nick Paindon to be the in charge of your customs. What made you decide that unsa nakita nimo kay
Honest patriotic. Ako ang sa tao ko is fear patriotic. You're a nationalist and you're honest. Those are the best qualities that I'm looking for a Filipino.
unsa unang gusto nimo buhaton ni Paindon?
Bahala na siya. Basta na customs, kuriktam na. Pareho yan ang pare. Yung BIR, pati custom, pareho ng pare. Pare, kada linggo lang.
Does the Pinoy government have enough money then para sa iyo? Or is it a yes? May natira ka? May natira?
Yan ang problema. Kaya siguro, but this will be honest to us. The one thing that I'm asking from them is we are not going intrude into their territory now. But tell me honestly, huwag mo akong lukuhin eh. Pagkatapos lukuhin mo ako, sampalin kita. Huwag mo akong lukuhin, para akong gago. Huwag na, makita na, sampal kita. But you have to lie, it's your money. It's money of the people and I have to manage a country. You must understand that. So wag mo akong, because may mga plano ako, wag mo akong kulahin.
So do you have any figures? How much is that?
Wala nga akong alam eh.
Basta meron, sir.
So sa MMDA, meron na.
Wala pa.
Sir, there are things kayo, sir, na kumuha.
Nanirapan na manood sa traffic. Gusto ko, harap ako manood sa traffic. Pero now I'm looking for some guy. Ganon rin. Tugadi na yan. His recommendation will be vital. Ganon nga eh. Kasi departamento man na yan, kasi we return it to MMDA. It's a separate entity actually, but if you have the whole sense, it should be handled by DPWH.
Sir, what is your policy about the journalist killings that the Aquino government failed to act? The journalist killings.
May isang bago? Alam mo, ganito yan eh. Kung papatayin ka talaga, papatayin ka. There is no way to know that the next victim would be a journalist. Sa karamihan, prangka-prangka, may nagawa yan. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga papatayin dyan kung wala kang ginawa. Yung mga expose, bad words against us, wala yan. Ako, again, mayor ko. Pero karamihan niya may, nabigyan na, tapos, especially if you want to take sides. Nabayaran mo na, tapos you claim. Yan ang karamihan na mamatay. Or, tumatanggap na sa mga sugarol, tapos, bira pa rin. You really want the truth? Yun ang truth. There is still corruption sa inyong side. Marami yan. Hindi lang ang binibigyan yan, hindi lang ang pulis. Binibigyan yan, yung si Pala. Binibigyan yan, kukulikta harap-harapan, sabihin, kumilikta kami. Tapos sa kabila, babanatan mo. Yun. That is the best example of bakit namamatay itong mga journalist. Kaya ang prangka-prangka, yan siya ito. Karamihan ganon. Kasi kung journalist ka lang na tama, wala mong gagalaw sa'yo. Especially if it is true. Okay, you cannot hide the truth, by the way. Pero yung ganon na, ang example natin dito, taga-rito ka man, yun si Pala. I do not demean his memory, but that he was a rotten son of a bitch. He deserved it. Ganon eh.
Is that an excuse to kill him, President?
Huh?
I mean, just because a journalist is corrupt or whatever, is that an
Well,
excuse?
that is the reason. You are asking why? That is the reason. Na sinabi mo hindi dapat, you have to debate with the killer, not me, because of course I know who killed him. Kasi binastos niya yung tao. Alam nila, itong alin yun na saan? Dito yung kanina. Alam ni Alinyo yan, kung sino. Alinyo, si Tina Honsay, because they were there when umiyak yung tao. Basta yung isa. Tapos may isa pa. Ding-ding. All ABS-CBN. Nandoon yun sila nung umiyak yung tao kasi pinas. Huwag ka na. Huwag ko nang sabihin niya. Kasi tatanong kayo kung bakit pinapatay ang Yusuf Trooper ng do not make it appear na itong they are clean. But most of you are clean. But do not ever expect that itong mga journalists are all clean. Kaya namamatay. Sinasabi ko, karamihan yan, nabayaran na. They take sides. O sobrahan nila ang atake. Getting into a personal, hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag. Kami mga politiko, okay yan. Praktisado ka. Pero may mga tao yung go private, tapos siyain mo, yung anak, babuyin mo, papatayin ka talaga. Ganon, hinangin mo eh. Ganon yan. Is it because you're a journalist na ito, you're exempted from assassination?
But sir, it has a
Ang
very...
iyong premise mo kasi, journalist siya, bakit patayin siya? It's all wrong.
But sir, it has a bearing to the freedom of expression.
That's not something you'll violate. Yung freedom of expression cannot help you if you have done something wrong to the guy. Huwag ba ko yung freedom of do not believe so much you swallow it hook, line, and sinker. Alam mo marami dyan na binabayaran pati writers. Alam mo yan. Alam mo kung sino mga writers dito nagpoprotekta sa Davao dyan sa Liwanwan. You know who they are. Ikaw alam mo ba bakit hindi mo expose? Just because you are a journalist, you are not exempted from assassination. If you are a son of a bitch, sakit ng mga tao. Ako,